Hi everyone! Welcome to Graciela's Kitchen. Today we're going to bake a chunky chewy chocolate crinkles. To start with, our ingredients: cocoa powder, sugar, all-purpose flour, eggs, vanilla, baking powder, salt, and vegetable oil. For the exact measurement, please see description below. To start with, combine all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix together until well combined. And set aside. To prepare our cocoa butter, in a separate bowl, combine cocoa and sugar. Stir together until well combined. Now we're going to add the vegetable oil. Now, using a handheld electric mixer, beat in the eggs one at a time. And add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now that our cocoa butter is ready, we can now add slowly our dry ingredients. Now that our cookie dough is well mixed, we can now cover this with a cling wrap and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours, or you can have it overnight for a better result. Once the cookie dough has chilled, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a small scoop, roll the dough into 1-inch balls. This recipe makes 4 dozen cookies. If you don't want to make that many now, you can freeze the rest for later. Prepare your baking pan and line it with parchment paper. Coat each ball with an icing sugar. Place it on the baking pan with 1 inch apart, then bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. allowed to cool for several minutes before serving. With this easy recipe, you can now enjoy your chocolate crinkles. For more chewy, chunky recipes, hit the subscribe button below. Enjoy baking!